It's springtime in Rome, and that means one thing. It's time for Vignarola. Coming up. Spring in Rome. Spring adds new life to the beauty of the ancient city. But also as the weather gets warmer, there is no end of fresh vegetables in markets. Notably, spring is also the fava bean season, and fava beans are the essential part of Vignarola, the Roman vegetable stew. And trust me, this dish is made for spring. There can be no more delaying to return to Vincenzo's, a family restaurant that's been run by the Crusty family since 1972. Today, Vincenzo and his son, Paolo, are gonna show me how their trademark Vignarola is done. You know what I'm here for, right?
Vignarola.
Vignarola, I got it.
As you stepped into the handsome, wood-paneled interior, you're greeted with all sorts of goodies. This place attracts the crowd from the nearby government offices, so you're likely to find dashing Italian business people in fine suits and ties, rather than sandal-donning tourists. Ties, sandals, it's all the same to me. I'm here for Vignarola. This dish is quintessentially Roman, although you can find it in other areas of Italy too. I've heard somewhere that Vignarola is a celebration of spring. Obviously, the dish depends on the nature of the vegetables used, so every ingredient here is seasonal and fresh. It all starts with artichokes. I have a whole playlist on artichokes. You can find the link below.
We add some fava beans to carciofi, artichokes. Salt and olive oil. And new potatoes. Some fresh lettuce and olive oil again. And mix a little bit. Now we add some peas. Very good. Lettuce again. And of course, white wine.
At the end, you add a bit of water, and that's it. Covering it with paper helps preserve the flavor and color. It's left to simmer gently while all sorts of other magic happen in the kitchen. La Vignarola, the king of veggies. Or is it a green? It's best when you let it sit for a while to settle. It's usually served warm rather than hot. I love it even at room temperature, but always with lots of delicious crusty bread.
When you finish that, we'll see.
Look at his face. That's happiness.
Look at this. Vignarola tastes just like spring in a dish. Wine suggestion, some local dry white.
I don't know what to say, guys.
We came here for Vignarola, but this is Rome. We just lack the strength of character to pass up on Vincenzo's Grisha. In the coda. Desserts, neither. nor the Amaro. Make a double. What to say? Rome is Rome.